All right. Hopefully the neighbor's music doesn't creep into this video. But I was cleaning my 9mm here, and I was just thinking of a hypothetical fictional occurrence. Since these will be banned in a matter of months, the importation of them at least, I was wondering, will the 300 Blackout be the new AK for new gun owners? I was thinking about getting an AK, but see, the deal is if you can't get ammunition for it, or it's going to be drastically inflated, there's may not be a real good idea. But I was pondering, in this fictional situation, will the American ammunition makers, will they pick up the slack on the 7.62 by 39? Or will we just have to go to 308 if we want a 30 caliber? And I'm pretty sure there's many other 30 calibers. But I mean, in a semi-automatic rifle that's less than $1,000, because there's the M1As that shoots semi-automatic and is 30 caliber. I was just thinking, as far as the 7.62 by 39, will the American makers, will they pick up the slack? Or, and reason why I make the point to say no gun owners, because I'm pretty sure if you have your AK already, you probably have tons of AK ammunition, because I checked today and it kind of almost doubled in price, but seems like the AK ammunition was still really cheap. So these are just my thoughts. If you know anything about the ban, is it still worth getting a AK in these times? Let me know. Start the discussion down in the comment box, please. Because I'm still thinking about getting the most prolific 30 caliber out there, that is the AK47. Or should I just keep rolling with my 300 Blackout? Alright,